So check out how amazing these prints turned out with just minimal effort with a little bit of rub and buff. I mean, this is just pretty much straight out of my Resin 3D printer, the Zortrax. And after that, I just applied some of that really awesome primer from KRYLON. It's the first time I've really worked with that and I'm loving it, absolutely loving it. Dries super fast. Then just used my airbrush and laid down some black paint. I mean, you don't have to use an airbrush. You could, in theory, just use a rattle can for this as well. And then it's just a matter of applying a little bit of rub and buff. A bit goes a very, very long way, and you can really overdo it. I absolutely love the results of how this looks and highly recommend you guys checking this out and trying it for yourselves for some of your projects. These files are by Trajan, and apologies, I'm probably butchering that name, but he just has some really creative, funky files that he sells over on CG Trader, and I think he's also got some files up on the My Mini Factory store. I'll have links down below where you can pick these up. They're very affordably priced, and again, very beautiful to run off and print and finish. And a huge shout out to Grafit over on Twitter, who was, I mean, this was sort of the inspiration for this video, was seeing him taking those files and doing some rub and buff combinations on there, even mixing some of the different rub and buffs to create some really amazing effects for his prints. And I was like, man, I've got to print those same files and share it with you guys here. So definitely check out both these guys doing some amazing stuff. I'll have links to both of their social media accounts and Trajan's files there that you can purchase for yourself. Again, really, really, really loving the simplicity of this. And it's a really just, again, quick and easy way for you to finish some props or some prints of yours with minimal effort. And again, this took all of, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes of effort to apply the rub and buff and have that fully dry and be able to handle. All right, hope you guys liked this really quick video. I just wanted to share this with you guys as I thought it was really cool. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.